a boat motor. It's fine as long as it's a tube to a ball that you pump.
And as long as it doesn't have anything like contaminated in it, so you don't put gasoline in it.
Yeah. Why do you guys need even to drain it?
We're not draining it. We're just filling.
What are you doing?
Filling it up.
Okay, so what do you need a tube?
Boys, I'm live.
Adam.
Boys, we're live.
With your compressor, do you have like an attachment that just blows air? Yes. What do you need?
Hey, W Adam in the chat. W Adam in the chat.
Trying to fill up his differential with oil, bro.
So why do you need a tube?
Because we can't just pour straight from the bottle.
Why?
Because you can't.
Oh, you can't do that?
Can't do it, JJ.
Oh.
I love you. It's so good.
You don't have a tube at all? You don't have no tube? I can bring you a ball. You don't have freaking ABS.
All right. There's no one on here but Adam. And I know he's on here, but here's the charts. This is what we're looking at. That's what we're dealing with. It's 1:30 EST. We got London Open about to happen in the next couple minutes. Right now, price is kind of breaking out of a consolidation, kind of. I mean, we're kind of consolidating between like this green line I have here and this yellow line, but it looks like price is breaking out of this consolidation area. Looking to the left, though, there's no clean range for me to take an entry. So I'm probably not going to be looking for any sells during this stream. But what I am looking for is a break above this yellow, back into this range. If we could break above this yellow line at this resistance level right here, I'll zoom in on it right here. If we could break above right here and move back into the consolidation, this range over here, I have a good feeling I could probably catch about like 50 pips up to like here probably, or maybe 70-ish pips into this gap to fill this little gap right here. So ideally, that's what I'm looking for, is price to either break above this resistance level and, come up, secure pips around this area right here, or if price continues to drop a little bit and then comes back up, creates a resistance, and then I could look for a pullback entry for price to continue pushing down back to the low it creates. So those are the only two trades I'm really looking for within the next 2 hours. If I don't see either of those trades happen, then I'm just going to head to bed at 4 o'clock or 4 a.m. like I normally do. But if we could see either the break above here or we see a pullback entry, then I'll enter one of those. And that's about it. So until then, I'm just going to wait here. I was trying to look in if I could play music on this, but I don't know how to if I could play music on YouTube without getting copyright or not, copyrighted. So if that's the case and I have no one in chat to talk to, it's going to be a pretty long and boring stream of me just sitting here, just waiting for something to happen. Ideally in the future, though, when I continue to stream more and hopefully get an active chat during these hours, I probably just conversate with the chat while I'm waiting for any moves to happen. But in this case, first stream, no one to talk to. It's part of the process, I guess. I'll probably just end up scrolling on my phone or waiting for people to join. Any questions that you might have, just answer the questions, interact with the chat. And then next stream, I'm going to look into over the weekend I'll look into seeing if I can play music on here. Maybe I'll just start playing music while I wait. But yeah, if I can't do any of those things, then I'm just gonna be scrolling. Actually, right now I'm gonna probably just join back that call.
No way I'm talking to her. It's like,
Yo,
you?
yeah, my pro or what?
You mean you have some viewers though?
No, I'm not. You're the only viewer. I can't lie.
It's alright. Nothing wrong with that, bro.
I know. First stream though, you know.
That's alright. I'm just opening quick.
I'm not really tripping.
I'm looking right now.
What you say?
I don't think anyone's awake right now.
Yeah, no, that like streaming at this time is kind of grim. I can't lie. I'm really mainly just streaming because I want the video to be posted after, because like I'm posting the streams after the streams are done as videos. So
So this conversation's on stream, or
huh?
this conversation's on stream.
Well, I have no one to conversate to because there's no one in the chat. But like I want to post the video after just so people could see like how I actually trade live. That's the main reason for this.
But right now, they're just watching you talk on the phone with your friends in your underwear.
I mean, I got pants on, but yeah. I mean, you don't have to. Like, no one's realistically gonna click on these videos after I post them and watch the whole stream unless they're like really are into me, or like I don't even know if they really care about what I'm talking about. But people would probably glance through these. I don't know. It's just a start, you know. I gotta get comfortable in front of this camera.
Yeah, for you. What's the end goal?
The end goal is to eventually build like a little community that comes and watches me stream every night, that like is interested in streaming and ask questions, and I answer questions, interact with them, build like a little community. And yeah, that would be like the ideal goal. I'm also gonna post like other videos besides like the streaming. Like eventually I want to get like a camera and post actual like videos, like informative videos and stuff like that. And yeah, that's the end goal. How long are you staying up, Adam?
I don't know. This is going down, so.
Yeah, it's
Tired, but I
it's
guess
not looking too great, right? Actually, it's not even looking that bad. I just was like, when I left the call for a bit, I was explaining to the stream like what I'm looking for in terms of trades.
Okay.
But, see, I'm just waiting for one of those scenarios to happen. If none of them happen by 4, we're going to bed. Can't lie, I'm tired of shit.
Yeah, valid. They stay in camp for 2 hours. That's cooked.
I know. It's part of the process, bro.
I'm scared to talk. I don't want to sell my distribution.
I mean, yeah, like, don't say anything crazy, because if someone, like, comes back and decides to watch a stream, which is very unlikely, I guarantee no one's going to watch these fucking streams, but you never know. I'm going to just treat it like we're talking, like, without the camera, honestly, because the chances of anyone watching the stream are very low.
I'm missing.
There's certain things I'm not going to say, though, obviously, just, like, certain things, but... This guy Nathan sold me.
I get my snowboard wax for next season.
But yeah, all the heat coming out of nowhere, the season just ended like so fast. Oh, not fast. It's basically started April, but like when that heat came, it was kind of over.
Still on.
I know, like people are still going, but like it's not like the greatest conditions, right? Like it's starting to die down right now.
Bro, room full. Piggyback wasn't even open that, bro.
When did you go?
Like 2 days ago. Or yesterday.
Bro, we only went one time, all of us together this season. There,
I know you guys, bro. You guys are sleepy. You guys never want to go.
I was going. Me and you went the most. I think JJ went once, and Adam went a couple times too. Actually, we all went. It's just JJ who didn't really go. And then the three of us didn't really go together much. Like, it would be like you, Matthias, your brother, me, Tristan, and then Adam would go with like Edison and stuff.
I liked
What'd you say?
I liked week. How about at 1 in the morning?
Out 1 in the morning. You want to?
Yo, top score Black Boy.
What'd you say?
Oh yeah.
Jeez.
Not to clip that, but what did he say? Huh? Say it, Brandon.
Say what?
Lore.
Bro, I'm on stream, bro. I can't be explain the lore.
Just mute quick.
Actually, I think I can beat the stream.
I'm watching it now, so let me know what you do.
All right. All right, chat. Well, sorry for being on mute for the past like 40 minutes. But yeah, it doesn't matter. Trading wise though, what I said I wanted to happen, what I said I wanted to happen earlier, I want to see price come back up above this resistance level, close above, and then I could see myself entering some buys. We're about to close. This candle's about to close in 5 seconds. But if it closes here at 30.31 area, stop loss below 30.27 is a bit too deep. So now what I want to see is price come down, create a lower wick, probably tap this yellow line right here, break these highs, and I'll enter at the break of these highs, and I'll try to catch a couple pips out of this range. That's what we're trying to look for now. Let's just, here it comes. It's coming down right now. Hopefully we can resist this level right here. If we just see some resistance, break of these highs, I'm in on the break. I'm taking my entry on the break of the highs. I'm looking to catch about maybe 40, 50 pips out of this. Probably close around here, like 40, 43 pips, maybe like right here at 30 pips. Maybe I'll close a percentage of my position like here and leave the rest running. We'll see how I feel, but first we got to see if price comes up and breaks these highs. All right, price is coming up. Looks like it's about to break the highs right here. It's not quite there yet. I might break them right here though. Oh, all right, we're in. I'll show you guys right here. There we go. We got entry right there. Yeah, entries in, stop loss below the current candle low. What's the low? The candle low is 245 ish. Put it up a little bit. All right, that's that. Entry above the break of the high, about right here. Stop loss below the low. Make up for the spread. We're gonna go full targets. Full targets probably about here. We have this clean range to fill, right? to the left-hand side. All this is clean range. So price has the possibility of filling the whole range and coming up to here, but ideally we're probably going to close our position maybe like around these wicks here, or I could maybe hold it up into this gap right here. So we'll see, but I'm gonna just pull this up here just to show the idea of where the target would be, like the ideal full target. Price is coming up into profits now. Over here, we're still not in profits. It's kind of getting there. We gotta cover the spread over here. The current spread on CMC markets right now is like 0.30, like 3 pips. So yeah, just pull this over here. So yeah, now we wait. Now we just wait, see if price comes down, hits our stop loss, or if we get some profits, and hopefully we can secure some pips tonight, make a couple dollars, and yeah, see how this goes. It's my more zoomed out chart, give you guys a better idea of what price looks like. Came down, rejected these lows, heavy lows down here. We got wicks here, we got wicks here, we got wicks here, wicks here, wicks here, big wick. Looking for price to come and fill this range, fill this consolidation. Price honestly has a pretty high chance of reaching full profits tonight, but I'll probably just secure some pips anyway to be safe, probably like around the 30, 36 area. But we'll see how this goes. Again, entry was about on the break of these highs after closing above this resistance level, came up, nice volume driven candle, came down, created a low. Not the ideal low you're looking for. Maybe a bit of a lower low would have been nice, like tap the zone, but came down, made a low, made a high, and now we're looking to see price continue to trend up and create higher highs, higher lows, and fill this range. So yeah. Yeah, Adam, you take the buys?
Yeah.
You enter on the break the high?
Yeah.
All right, I'm in on it too. I got it up on stream right now. Where you got targets? You're closing partial or what?
Probably close 0.01. Yeah.
My full take profit. I have my full take profit at the top of the range, like clean. Like ideally, we could fill this whole range to the left hand side, but that's almost 130 pips, 140 pips.
Just 3046.
Yeah, 3046.50. Yeah. But I'm probably like I left the call for a bit to talk to the stream, like in case people watch us back and whatnot. But I was saying I'll probably end up closing like securing pips around like 30, 40 pips. I might close like 75% at 30, 40 pips, and then maybe just leave the rest running, see if we fill the whole range, but we'll see.
Yes.
Right now it's just kind of just lingering at our entry. It's just lingering above the high.
Yes.
It's not coming down to the stop loss though, which is good. We're seeing it still like hold its level above the entry, which is good. Yeah. Now we wait.
I hate how I enter and I'm already in negative.
I know it's the spread, bro. So you're just telling that like the spread on CMC is like it's like 50 pips at it, or no, not 50 pips. It's like 5 pips at its highest. It comes down maybe like lowest you'll get is like maybe 2 pips.
Like so dumb. I hate it. And I'm down like $1 too, even though it's not on our account. Still, $1 to long.
I'm down like $3-4 right now, but
that's what I mean, bro. Like, it's just dumb.
you got to deal with the spreads, bro. Like especially like in North America, even like Americans don't really get good spreads. Like people that trade, like all those Dubai traders and like Europe traders, they can get pretty good spread, bro.
Yeah.
Like Raja with the freaking like one spread, bro. Bro gets like a 0.7 spread to like a 1.5 spread. That's nice. Because then also with the spread too, you gotta make up for it when you do your stop loss, your take profits. Like you gotta.
Yeah, you have to calculate everything. So
okay, here we go. Moving up. We're in profits now.
You are.
Yeah, $7. It just shot up. Shot up a little bit.
And now I'm back to.
It's starting to show some moving momentum though, which is good to see.
Yeah, we need that big handle.
I'm indecisive where for like. You know, like when you're in a trade and you like especially like this, we have such a nice clean range. Like it's like part of me wants to hold it for the whole range. It's like, bro, I can make so much money, but like the chances of it filling the whole range is like it happens sometimes, but then something doesn't happen. Like yesterday, same thing happened to me. Like I wanted to fill the whole range, it came back, I got break even. Like
yeah.
So it's always good to secure your partials and shit. But like a part of me really wants to hold this entire position.
Yeah, same.
Like if this was to fill the whole range to the left, I'd make $178. That'd be huge. Like absolutely huge. Actually, wait, I'd make more than that. Hold on. If it filled the whole range, I'd make $195.
Some big $200.
That's crazy. It would be my biggest trade ever. Biggest trade on this account for sure. 130 pips though was like, especially in the London session. Like maybe in New York session you can probably catch moves like that big, but London it's pretty hard for it to move that much. Like we're definitely gonna see it pull back before it continues to go if that's the case.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna stick to what I told myself to secure pips. So once I'm like 30-40 pips in profit, probably like when we come to 30-36, I'll probably just close. Yeah, around 30-36, I'm probably gonna close.
Yeah. Yeah, I see that.
Because we got that wick there before it came down a lot. Maybe I'll close it in between the gap, but like that area, 30-36 to 30-38, nothing above that. I'm waiting for. That's like 30-40 pips. That's enough for me. Just trying to find some consistency. Let me keep this up.
All right.
Yeah, it's coming back down right now.
All right.
Where's your stop loss at?
It's on the 15. Well, that small one.
Valid rabbits.
Holy smokes.
No. It's actually not a bad idea. I didn't even realize that other 15. I'll probably move my stop loss a little bit lower too. Just to be below that 15, because that 15-minute did reject the support, kind of.
Yeah.
I'm gonna move mine down. It's only like a difference of like 5 pips, so I might as well move it down.
Yeah.
What is it doing right now though? Like it came down, it's not really moving. It made a new high, so it shouldn't break the low. Like normally when you break the high, it shouldn't come down and break the low, but. Jeez, price is coming down right now. Yeah, this is cooked. Yeah, it just broke its own low. It's not looking good.
I might get stopped too.
Yeah. Stops are pretty close. It's coming back up. If I didn't move, if I had my original stop where I had it before you told me to move it down to that 15, I would have been stopped out already. But
Sure. Hope it's just respected it.
yeah, it looks like it's just coming down to test this level. Hopefully, it just respects. It ends up respecting the resistance and comes back up. But if it hits my new stop where I moved it down to that 15, then the trade's done. Trade's done after that, probably.
Oh.
Still pushing down. This is grim.
He was like just there, bro. Oh. Put it away, bro.
If this candle survives the full 15-minute, then we could probably see it push up. But if it hits stop loss before the 30-minute closes, we're cooked.
It's funny that you thought it hit mine. It just did. Okay, well, nice.
Yeah, I'm about to get stopped out too. Yeah, I'm out.
Oh my gosh, bro! Like,
Bro. Well, great first stream. It's a great first stream. Right, enter the trade. I'm talking with conviction, and then you get cooked.
are you kidding me?
That's a loss of
$14. Wow.
like a 30 pips. Yeah, 30 pips. That was $42 for me. I guess I gotta show the viewers, right? There you guys go. You got stopped out. You lost the $42. First trade on stream. Kind of sucks that was the outcome. Like, literally my first ever stream. I'm I'm not gonna say you did anything wrong. I had the right idea. This looks like a good trade to me. You got clean range to the left, you broke above resistance, price came down, created a low, broke above the highs, and then it just seems to have came all the way back down. It's because Fridays too are normally like Fridays aren't always the best trading days.
Yeah, it moves weird.
Yeah, Fridays tend to move weird.
Friday, like Monday and Tuesdays are my best days.
My best days are Tuesdays and Thursdays. I'd be and I was looking back at my old trades today, and I was really like looking at all the ones that don't end up playing out. Tuesdays and Thursdays, I always end up getting good trades, but Mondays, Fridays, I don't really do too well. Wednesdays are weird too. I don't know, but I guess stopped out. It is what it is. What is it? 3 o'clock. Oh, should I come back and trade New York, or should I just take my losses? Like, bro, like, because if I come back to New York and I take another trade and lose again, like Fridays do tend to move weird. And if I lose another trade, bro, I'll be like down like what?
Yo, you're gonna be so mad,
It'll be a pretty big hit for the day. I'll probably be super pressed. But then again, I could win in New York. I don't know, like, but the way that price has moved right here, it's not like. All right, well, there was literally no one on the stream the whole thing. The only one that joined the stream was you.
Yeah, yes, sir.
W first stream, guys. I know you're talking to no one, but W first stream, whoever comes back and watches this. Whoever comes back and watches this in the future, maybe when I blow up in a couple of years and people will come back to my first video.
Shout out you guys, bro.
Yeah, shout out to whoever comes back and watches this. First ever stream. We ended up taking a loss of 30 pips. I believe we had the right idea, but sometimes price just doesn't go in your favor, so it is what it is. Take it on the chin.
Learn from it.
Yeah, learn from it. I'll post. If you guys follow the IG, I'll be posting this trade on there probably tomorrow morning, showing where I entered, what happened, whatnot. But yeah, that's the end of the stream. Maybe I'll come back and get back on here for the New York session. I'll probably be on here around 8 a.m. if I do come back for the New York session, but I don't know. Should I do it? Like, I could win New York session and get my losses back, but I could lose again. Like, that's the thing. Like,
yeah, and you're saying Fridays are weird days. So
it gets tricky, and it's a Friday. Like,
that's up to you.
Maybe I'll set an alarm probably for 8 a.m. And when I wake up 8 a.m., if I see like the price action looks kind of good, like I see a position coming up, I might take it. But if I wake up at 8 a.m. and it still looks like choppy all over the place, I'll probably just call it a day.
Yeah, dog.
So yeah, it's like 3 a.m. now. I'll go to sleep for like 5 hours. Okay. All right. Yeah. Appreciate anyone for watching this in the future, and whoever was on here at the time, just Adam. But
Yes, sir.
W Adam, W friend. All right. Peace.